我国水域月初发现的须鲸遗骸，相信它是跟船只相撞而死。国大的研究人员表示，这头须鲸应该是在漂到我国水域前2周就已经死亡。25人合力将这个体型庞大的须鲸遗骸打捞上岸，过程中，须鲸2.7米长的右下颌骨脱落掉进水里。团队耗时约30分钟，再将之打捞上岸，接着再将遗骸运往玉郎船厂展开研究工作。
Oh, okay, it smells like dead rat, but of course it magnified like 100 times.
国大李光前自然历史博物馆约25名工作人员参与研究，而其中一项任务是为遗骸取骨清腹，剖开这只须鲸的皮肤和肌肉取样本进行脱氧核糖核酸分析。
We hope to get all the information together to find out where it possibly came from, what species it is, be able to pinpoint maybe even the population where it's from. This will help us gain a better understanding of the ecology of the species. And with all this information, we might be able to design education and outreach programs around it.
初步分析显示，这头须鲸身前体长可能达到10.6米。研究团队预计下个星期就能取出鲸鱼的整个骨架。